singgah di MAKCIK Cafe, Jalan Anak Bukit Titik Gajah. Okay, we can see here the view is very beautiful. Okay, kita boleh nikmati makanan dekat sini dengan pemandangan Sawah Padi. Kita tengok dekat belakang tu memang cantik. Tak payah tengok banyak lalu lalang habuk asap kereta. Makan dekat sini pun sedap. Tadi kita makan chicken grill chop. I don't know what is that, chicken grill chop dengan daging bakar. But the view here you must try. Tempat ni memang cantik dan berbaloi. Mesti datang ke sini untuk nikmati makanan. Mereka ada breakfast dan juga lunch and dinner. Now we are here for dinner. And it's a big crowd scene. Weather outside macam nak hujan, nak ribut. Memang sekarang ni cuaca di Malaysia memang hujan ribut, hujan lebat. Okay, let's view. Go to the cashier. Come on, we are leaving the place. We're going to the cashier. Yeah. How many? Two horseshoe crab. Okay. What are they making here? Oh. They are cooking the shell out. Basically, the seafood. Wow.
Ada tepung alas sekali tu.
Ada.
Tepung dia tak beritahu.
Okay, we just finished our dinner. Now we are going back. Kita dah habis makan. Sekarang hujan. Ini apa ni? Di hadapan kedai. Kita tengok kat belakang ada big group. Okay, sekarang hujan pula. Zachary Metallica Godzilla. Okay. See you again next time.
Okay, this is a new toy of this. So yeah, this is King Monkey. Where I found it from Lekaih in there. Yeah, see King Monkey is like the habong. I was like, and look, the Shin Godzilla. Shin Godzilla is our 2016. You should see the head tail on that. We see there, and Shin Godzilla is right there. And also Goji. But Goji is have a green dinosaur. But you can see the head, the jaw is gone in there. But anyways, the Kiwi 2003, the medium Godzilla, he looks like turtle the head and arms, and look, the two things in here. And the last one, legendary Godzilla, and you see the legendary Godzilla, he's just shooting right there, and Spike and the heads fighting the Godzilla. And okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye. Subscribe to YouTube channel. Bye.